If you do want to take a part of this coaching program, best of the best in the marketplace, besides all the resources and everything else, if you do come through me or one of my Wealth Warriors student, I'm gonna give you my coaching as a bonus. You and I will be learning from my mentor Zach, applying the same resources into your business. A phone team that's closing me 40-50K a month, having the same phone team close sales for your business. If you decide this is for you, if you do come in through me, I'm gonna also hold you by the hand, working with me and also my Wealth Warriors coaches every single week. That's how we get results. If you do join this coaching program, starting from making 5 sales on top of the $10,000 commission, because in average, you get paid $2,000 per sale as your commission. So if you make 5 sales, you are making $10,000 commission, which is amazing. Just 5 sales, you reach 10K already. You don't need to sell hundreds sales, right? In order to reach 10K, like if you are promoting low ticket offer. When you promote premium product, premium program, not only your customers are happier because they get better results, ultimately you make more money. But here is the amazing part. If you do take a part of this coaching program, you get rewarded to go out there to create results.